You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
When you see bad people step up in at the club, this is how we do it. Machine up the place anytime we run to it.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying with us here on Daytime Live. Switching gears a little bit because we have Town Badness in the place right now, you know. Recording artist, he goes by the name Roze Don. Viral artist, you'd have seen a lot of his songs being used on social media, especially the Unch It. Correct?
Spell Unch.
Unch? UNCH.
Yeah.
Unch? No? Am I wrong?
Alright, yeah.
Roze Don, what's up?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, man, everything good?
Everything is good. Me know a World Cup done. Which team did you carry?
Spain.
Town Badness.
You see, the man have the tattoo from
I should have known. That was a given. That was a given. Congratulations,
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thank you so much.
That's what Argentina did. They tried to fight.
This Argentine is saying congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
There's a Frenchman that gone home long time.
No, man, not even fourth place.
Not even fourth.
Goal and boat.
Sure.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah.
They get
nothing.
They get a second
We
place.
got a second place. Silver medal.
Anyway, Roze Don. I'm finding out that your father initially wanted you to become a pastor. And now you're one of the leading voices of this new generation at dancehall. I mean, that is almost like left and right. I mean, where your parents ever say, where your father ever say?
Well, I don't really think him they don't want me to become a pastor, you know. I just they think like him say pastor with the flashy like vehicles and big house and thing, and I say, oh, my kids, yeah. So him never did really want me to become a pastor, but me being an artist, them love it.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like them enjoy telling people say, oh, them are my parents.
Hey, it's one of the greatest things when your father put them son or parents put their child and say, yo, you know, I'm my son.
Yeah, definitely.
And that make you feel good too as a child.
And them very supportive as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, very supportive as well.
Before you got the breakthrough in music though, call center, I'm trying to imagine Roze Don, hey, good afternoon, calling
from Star Trek.
How was that? And how did that transition happen from call center to breaking out as an artist?
Well, immediately after I finished school, I went to college, but then things happened, you know, financially, so I had to went to find a job. So I had to do the call center job. And at the same time, I did call center for about a year, and then COVID came into play.
Right.
Then I have to stay home, and then like from that, I just start exercise the music skills, like social media and all of that.
Being an artist, you have to be out there, you have to be on stage, you have to be performing. That is how you really get your break. But you got your breakthrough during COVID when everything was locked down, when everything was not moving. I mean, how did you navigate that? How did you pull off that magic trick?
Well, Mother says a magic trick still is just like understanding what really take place in the world. Like everybody at home, the only entertainment them have is them phone or them TV. So if you can get yourself on them phone screen as much as possible, you're not gonna have no problem than to just tune in.
Alright. I know a lot of persons once they've made it, or in order to push their careers further, sometimes they have to leave home. Even though home is not so far away, we still have a lot of artists who are from Spanish Town and within the area that they're still traveling back and forth. That is a quick commute. Are you still in Spanish Town?
Well, I'm not in Spanish Town, but I'm there nearby, and like I visit my hometown like almost every day.
And what's that feeling when you go back home and the people them know, so this is son of our soil and I'm a big artist now. See up on our TV today and TV.
Them love it. Like right now, as when I reach home, them are gonna be like, yo, I see up on TV and I big up myself, you know. So people them like them supportive as well, them push me as well. Like from a kid, them tell me I'm talented and I gonna make it and things.
So you live up to the potential.
Yeah.
But not being an artist, because being an artist is one thing, being a successful artist is a whole other thing. So when you found hit songs, Unch It, Town Badness, what's the mindset like knowing that persons are now expecting me to come with another hit record? How do you go about finding that another hit song?
Well, sometimes it's hard, you know, because you know the pressure from management and everybody. But I say it just come like naturally from the vibes, you know, like from the workplace, the studio, everything. Like them simple little things they have a lot to do with it, like finding a hit song, you know. But it's not hard.
You know, okay.
Not.
You've been giving us songs for both men and women to enjoy. Some people find a lane and then stay in there. Some people say them a girl artist. Some are dance for the dancing and everything. Some are bad man. You know, you them tongues them have something for rape and everything. But you're giving us a little bit of both. Which one you like the more? Which one you get more reaction to? Me know the ladies love when them can't get for dance and have a time. The Unch It, me know that take off and TikTok far.
No, that's definitely the ladies them.
Ladies.
Yeah, that's why I'm just stick with them, you know.
Because say if you ever say anything else, they don't say that. You know that
half of the ladies, because anyway the ladies them, the males them end up there. So eventually.
How you write the song? What inspires you? What got through your mind? What is it something that is it art imitating life per se in writing your songs?
In writing all of my songs, yeah. It's like writing about what happening around and stuff like that. It's a girl from a community. No, I'm big up Sham. Big up Sham. Yeah, because she had the creator of the dance. It's a girl from a community as well.
Right.
And I'm see her with the style and thing. I'm saying, oh, you know, I'm gonna sing about that. And it worked.
What was her reaction when she heard it first and you tell her it's you?
Yeah, well, she didn't love it still, you know. She just like 2 little changes did that for me, you know. But it worked. And she did love it. Like the first, she said, yo, she can't believe. And then when it actually hit the airways and thing, bro, love.
Roze, why Roze Don though? Where the name?
Roze, my last name.
Roze?
Yeah. And the Don come from a middle name.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is Don Roze.
When more ask him.
Ask him.
What's your name?
Danik.
Danik?
Yeah.
Danik Roze?
Yeah.
Danik Roze.
Look at you guys look like a Danik Roze. I know image is everything for dancehall artists. In coining your own image, how you come up with the tats and the, you know, plait up here.
Yeah, and you want to sad and one stressed. Yeah, what those?
Is that just an attention grabber, you know?
Yeah.
As an artist, you know, you're going to need them things. And for the whole image, it's just part of our culture. Can't go around it. As a dancehall artist, let me set it straight.
You don't relax them.
Yeah, relax them too stressing, man. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful.
Hey, you see him? You know the course which the locks stressing as him see your locks beautiful. Yeah.
Beautiful was Danik. Danik said the beautiful, Roze Don say locks stressing.
Yeah. 2 different persons.
On social, Roze Don.
Roze Don, ROZE_DON on any platform.
Quickly, the EP is out. What was the feedback you're getting from it?
Yo, the Physically Fit, it was a 3-song EP released sometime in November last year, and love it, bro. The girls, them, it's a girls song EP, like none for the thugs, them, are just strictly waistline action.
Right.
And the girls, them, love it.
And they can stream it on all platforms.
Yeah, everywhere, I said.
What's the name of the EP?
Shake Whatever.
Shake Whatever.
Yeah, so it's for the girls, them, you know, really have.
Whatever.
Yeah, them, just shake.
Help them to have it.
Yeah.
Just
shake. Shake something.
Where can you find your social media again?
Roze Don. Roze_Don. ROZE_DON.
Easy. Just like that.
Easy.
Roze Don here. The pastor. The aspiring pastor.
/call center /artist.
With the Town Badness. Guys, we got more daytime live right after this. So we'll come back.
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.